Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. And in this video we're going to fly the Kestrell X. It hits like 300,000 views on Instagram. And yeah, together with RC Jetprint we made this simple design based on the F-35B from the RC Jetprint. It got a tilting duct section in the back instead of the 3 BSM. And it's 160 wide. This is all based on the F-35. Because we want to have a cheap trainer platform which you guys can easily test. So as you can see in this part, we copied the 40mm EDFs, the tilting mechanism, and it flies on 2x70mm from JP. And these motors really perform. So overall weight is 3.3 kilos. And in this shot you see that I'm performing hover outbound by tilting actually the tail with 40 degrees. So in this mode the KK2 is still thinking that it's in hover mode, but the nozzle is actually tilted by 40 degrees. So we do a 180 degree turn and perform the same test. The weather conditions are quite good. And as you can see how it accelerates, this is really awesome. So this is actually the first test outside. So the next step is to do a normal takeoff to see and to trim the model and to check out if the CG is fine. So we gave the drone a nice altitude of 80 meters and then let's see how it goes. The grass, as you can see, is quite wet, but the acceleration is quite fine and powerful from that 90mm JP. So it took off quite nicely. And here we go. Really smooth inbound transition. And exactly at that spot. Oh, we're still in hover. Nice. Yes, this was really amazing, guys. So our next step is actually to do the opposite. Make a vertical takeoff. Go in outbound transition, P1 we call it, and then we go into flight, do a circuit and go for vertical landing. So here we go, we are climbing at 80% throttle. Then we flip the switch to a 40 degree angle. Here you go. And what I then do is flip the second switch, which converted into P1 and to P2 flying mode. And here you can see directly into the corner, climbing, no drop. It is really brilliant. I was so super happy on the field. So final, going for final. To be honest, this is way too high to do an inbound, but I want to get safe. Flip the switch again. Oh no, wait, we go for another circuit. Look how it's going. Again, this is in JP 70mm EDF, 2.8 kilos of thrust, and it pushes awesomely. You can try to go for a thruing, but this will give less performance as the JP. So here we're going to final. Actually, we are flying, the throttle is like 20%. Flip the switch to inbound mode. And the second switch to go back to a vertical position of the back EDF. And here we let it drop, catch it like a drone, give a little bit more throttle and hover it quite nicely. Super happy. So I'm really happy with the performance of the Castrol Model X. Next week we're going to take it to our friend Ronald in Ter Apel to do some more flights. Also Siggy will join us with the Fallon, the Sea Harrier. Hopefully we can boost the Boeing X project, X32. And we have 2 F-35 models ready for the first transition attempts because the weather is finally nice. Okay, if you like these videos, please hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you won't miss any other videos. Okay, see you next time.